Well, thank you.
What'd you get, Joey?
Clothes and a scarf.
Cool.
And a hat.
Yep, that's what you wanted, right?
For me? Wow.
Thank you, darling.
Oh, Mark, could you hand me that?
It was perfect
and
timing.
put it in my
I
That-
want to see Mama Mark. That one?
Yeah, my knees.
Okay. That's where I got some.
Hey, Joey, what'd you get?
There's like 3, huh?
What'd you get?
Hat,
got
scarf and gloves.
Scarf,
75
gloves, and
degrees.
hats. Gumballs.
I could
When
probably
you
use
get
a hat.
married,
With
you'll
a
understand why.
Santa.
Oh, thank you. Mark.
Oh, this is for you and me, Mark.
Well, you can open it.
Just you.
Oh, that's.
Does that say mom? Oh, yeah, that's Nana.
Sorry. It's my mom.
Thank you.
I know, they keep telling me the same thing too.
Oh.
Because
Hey,
sometimes
Lindsay.
I accidentally call Nana for my mom.
You like these?
You don't like those?
I like them. Do you want it though?
No, you don't. What'd you
Okay.
get?
$40.
Oh, right on.
Hey, give me a smile, Nana.
Oh no, I don't want this.
Hey, Nana. Smile for the camera.
Oh,
Yeah, there you go.
hi.
Thank you.
Hi.
It's another one to you and Mark.
Let Mark open that one.
Let Mark open that one. Where are you, Mark?
Do you need help?
I'm beyond help.
Just rip it open, Nana. That one's like just a decoration.
I'm gonna put a tag on that one next year. It says just a decoration.
Oh,
Or put to the Christmas tree from Santa.
Yeah.
look what we got, Mark.
A dustbuster. Now we don't have to buy one.
No, I just saw that
And
Okay,
this-
that
they
was.
had them on sale at
No,
Frederick and Nelson.
that one
Not Frederick and Nelson.
has that little package in it. Mom,
What?
that
little-
was the one that has that little bag in it that
Yeah.
you said was.
Yeah, the little bag that has a name on it.
Yeah, let me see the little bag. It's got a card, it looks like here. Okay.
That's Michael's.
Oh, that was Michael. Okay, that's what I was checking. Okay.
That means the rest of this is yours.
Okay, so the bag is mine. Okay.
This is yours.
Tired, Lindsay?
This is yours.
Tired?
That's expensive.
Here, Mark.
It's for the card.
Here, Mom.
I just saw at Fred Meyer they had but just these on sale. Mark, well, usually come after Christmas and since they're on sale, like they're a little cheaper. But what they were asking.
This is for
Thank you muchly.
both of us, honey.
Okay.
One for you.
Do you have any?
Nothing for Charlie?
Mm-hmm.
Mom, did you get anything for Charlie?
What? Yes, it's in one of those bags. The bag that Joey has.
Well, thank you very much.